Hello, my name is Danae, and welcome to Cash Checker Card, a YouTube channel that's going to teach you ways to build wealth, reaching your goals, attaining success, managing debt, and financial literacy. Today, I'm going to talk about how to buy a house. But before we begin, please like the page if you learned something new or like what you heard today. Subscribe below and leave your comments, as that is ways for us to reach more YouTubers like yourself. Let's begin. The first step is simply just doing a general internet search to get an idea of what homes are selling for in the area or areas you're interested in buying in. This can be done through Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com, and so forth. This is just an idea to know what homes are selling for and what price range. I would take it with a grain of salt, especially if you have not been pre-qualified or pre-approved with the lender yet, as you may have to buy in another area that's less expensive. You want to have a general idea of what your credit score is. There are many free resources out there that offers your credit score for free. One of them that I like to use just as a free resource is Credit Karma. Although it does not give you your actual FICO score, it gives you an idea of what's on your credit report, as your lenders will use your FICO score to determine if they will lend you money or not. I spoke about FICO scores in the credit bureaus in a previous video. After you've seen your credit report and you have a good idea where your credit score may stand, it's time to get pre-approved or pre-qualified with the lender. You do not want to start shopping for homes with a realtor until you've been pre-approved or pre-qualified. It may be a waste of both of you guys' time. There are many first-time home buyer programs on the market. The two predominant programs are FHA, which stands for the Federal Housing Administration, is a government-backed lender. They actually guarantee the loans, but they don't lend money with the lender. The second is conventional loans, but I'll get into both of those later in another video. The main focus of today's video is to give you a general idea of the home buying process. It is not my intent to overload you with information. You can now begin interviewing realtors to help you find a home. You want to find someone you feel comfortable and have a good working relationship with, as this is the person that will help you make one of the biggest purchases of your entire life. After you interview realtors and you found someone you feel comfortable working with, it's now time to start looking at homes. The fun part has just begun. Your real estate agent has taken you to look at many different homes, and you finally found one that you love. A 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 3-car garage home. It is now time to write an offer. Your real estate agent writes and presents the offer to the selling side, and they accept. You must now submit an earnest money deposit to the title company of the sellers or your choice. A title company is more of a middle person that handles all of the money and makes sure there isn't any liens against the house once you close. The title company will issue an insurance policy called title insurance that guarantees your home is lien-free once you close. Your real estate agent must now submit your earnest money deposit check to the title and escrow company, depending on which state you live in. Some states, title and escrow are the same company. Other states, title is handled by one company and escrow is administered by an attorney. During this time frame, it's called a contingency period, which is usually between 10 to 21 days, which is an out clause to back out of the deal and be entitled to receive your full earnest money deposit back. During the contingency period, it is best used for doing full inspections on the house to make sure everything is up to par, paying inspectors, contractors, or so forth, and making sure you get full approval through the lender. Just because you have a pre-approval or pre-qualification does not guarantee the lender will fund the loan. Your professional home inspector inspected the home and given you a green light saying that the house is up to par. Your lender has now issued you a guaranteed approval, meaning that they will issue you a mortgage for the home. It is now time to sign off on the contingency. This release form is a no backing out deal. It means that you will go through with the purchase, and if you decide to change your mind now, you will forfeit your entire earnest money deposit to the seller for wasting their time. Part of your closing costs includes paying for an appraisal. This is for your protection and the lender's protection to make sure the house is worth the purchase price. You will pay for the appraisal, but the lender chooses the appraiser. The value of the appraisal came in at or above the purchase price, so it's now time to sign your closing documents. You will sign these forms in front of the title and escrow officer, the attorney handling escrow, or a notary public, depending on where you live. Congratulations, you are now officially a homeowner. If you like what you learned today, please give me a like, subscribe below, and leave your comments. I'm hungry. I'm going to go get me something to eat. I'll see you in the next video. I'm out of here.